someday, in the not-so-distant future, it happens. The moment you realize you're ready for anything. Get a degree in emergency management from Jacksonville State University and be ready for where you're going.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 8th of May. I'm James Spann. We've got rain on the way. Let's go in there and take a look. We'll begin with some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon as we look out the window. That's coming from Trussville. A few scattered cumulus clouds around. Pretty much the same sky coming from Jasper, from the King Building up in Walker County. And ooh, doesn't that look good? The Alabama Gulf Coast. Looks like they're getting set to get the stages going for the Hangout Music Festival, which is later this month. The sky down there bright and sunny. However, rain arrives tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, and a flash flood watch is in effect for the Alabama Gulf Coast tomorrow through Sunday. Got a big trough coming out of the western states, producing more active weather for the heartland today, but we are in pretty good shape. Mostly mid-80s at mid-afternoon. The warm spot, Montgomery, they've got 89, 85 for Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden. Hey, noticeably colder back in the Rockies. It's downright cold in places like Denver, Cheyenne. But around here, we are in that warm air reaching up to Chicago. They're in the upper 80s up there. And we'll stay warm for a while. No big cool down until maybe Wednesday, Thursday of next week. There's the watch warning map. And again, flash flood watches for extreme southwest Alabama, the western tip of the Florida Panhandle. And up north, the tornado watch. Parts of Iowa, Minnesota, South Dakota, Nebraska until 9 o'clock. And up in that zone, a moderate risk of severe weather for the rest of the day and tonight. Surrounding that, the standard slight risk from the eastern half of Texas to the western Great Lakes. Tomorrow, we got the standard slight risk of severe weather just northwest of here. That includes places like Little Rock and Memphis. But no severe weather expected here. Day 3, which is Saturday, no formal risks. Just the low-end 5% severe weather possibility for parts of the nation's midsection. And on day 4, this is Sunday, a risk of severe weather for parts of the southern plains. But again, none of that should affect us. This is the rain for the next 7 days, so this carries us through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches here. And let's get in there and see if we can talk about the timing of the waves of rain. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. And you can see how the western trough is really lifting up into Canada and weakening. Down below that, a deep surface low is up in Canada. And a band of showers will likely advance in here. This is the high-res NAM, valid at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Looks pretty wet. And really, you can almost trace that to that old disturbance in the eastern Pacific that was on the other side of Mexico several days ago. That thing will be coming across, and it could be pretty wet. Rain likely, maybe some thunder, and maybe some heavy rain at times with this. So it looks like a good soaking rain tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. So if you got something planned outdoors, think wet. What about Saturday? This is Saturday morning at 10 o'clock. Still showers around. Saturday will certainly be not exactly a bright sunny day. The day should be mostly cloudy, and will certainly maintain the chance of a few showers. And it could be the better chance of lingering showers will be Saturday morning, because by Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, most of it's gone with just spotty showers about. So a good soaking tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. Scattered showers and storms Saturday. There's the GFS look at Saturday. And then Sunday, we are in a drier air mass. The air loft should be a bit warmer, the air a bit more stable. So for Sunday, the chance of rain very small. I can't say there's no chance of rain, but I think most locations stay dry, partly sunny with mid-80s. And really the same thing on Monday. Partly sunny, the chance of a shower very small. Mid-80s are likely. And then Tuesday, another pretty good-looking trough comes in. That's going to push a cold front in our direction. Cold front coming through Memphis in midday Tuesday. That batch of showers and storms will likely move in here Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. This is just after midnight Tuesday night. And then Wednesday, look at the thickness values coming down. Cold air advection. Let me tell you what now, if those numbers are right, the high on Wednesday will be only in the 60s here with a good north breeze. The sky becoming sunny. There's a look at the temperature anomalies for late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. And this is suggesting maybe some values 18, 20 degrees below average around here. And there's Thursday, a bright sunny day, a cool morning. Thursday morning will feature a low well down in the 40s. Then the high should be in the low to mid 70s. But that'll feel very nice. Low humidity, not many of those kind of days left before the long, hot summer gets here. We'll check the end of the forecast, May 25th. And we've seen maps all over the board out here. There's no consistency. This one has a ridge axis west of the state, a northerly flow aloft, and fairly quiet pattern if that happens to be correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us on our live stream or the TV side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.